The app removes the need for a council inspector to be on site for every inspection. We estimate to be able to remove up to 2/3 of actual site visits.
I started off looking at what the inspector looks at, and we have a checklist for each inspection. So each checklist had a line item, and I tried to equate each one of those line items to a photo.
As they're going through the build process, as each element's finished, they'll take a photo of that element. They'll be able to annotate it, put any little comments they want around it. They'll be able to draw on it, so they can put a circle around a detail to show the detail. They then upload that via the app.
Once you push submit, it goes straight through to the council, and then it comes back to you with comment or with pass.
The idea is that you'll be able to interact real time with an inspector, and it's all geared around telling you, great work, if you just do this, you're there.
There's never been a more exciting time to work in the building and construction industry than now. The industry is booming, and that creates a number of challenges, not just productivity for the industry, but also quality issues.
In the last 15 years, the amount of inspections has gone up drastically. There is not one section of a build, be it residential or commercial, that doesn't involve the council.
There are so many different practices amongst the different BCAs. There are so many different opinions about what is compliant to code and what is not. There's no real standard between individuals about that.
Our inspection teams are really struggling to keep up with the numbers. Sometimes we can go up to 5 days waiting for an inspection, so the wait times are really crucial that we try and keep those down. There'll always be situations where you need to visit the site, and if we've got the less risky inspections being done on the app, then we could clear a lot of the workload.
The productivity gains are not just for the council, they're for everybody involved in the entire process of this, because they can inspect their own work as they go, they can submit, they can get an approval to move on, they can do it all in real time and in the real time of the project.
Because the entire app is based around live-time photo surveys, we'll have record of everything that's being done.
How better to protect the builder, the architect, the manufacturer who's providing a great product, and ultimately the homeowner, than having an enduring record of what was done on site. Later, if there was arguments, you pull up these records and have a look. From BRANZ's perspective, one of the things that excites us as a research organisation is the fact that this could create this amazing data set of build information across the nation over time. This is a way of really thinking about how do we articulate and decide what quality looks like for the industry, and then help people adhere to that standard.
This will really help us in trying to spread the word on how the building code works. When you have people using this app, they will increase their knowledge.
For me, it's about bringing that builder's craftsmanship, but still allowing them to build with volume and scale to meet the needs and the demands of a growing country.
It's going to be worth its weight in gold for all of us, for everyone across the industry. It's such a simple idea that it's going to save so much time.